Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well and you had a good trading week. So in this video, I would like to share something really special to you. As you probably gathered from the title, we are going to be talking about my 5-figure payout from Funding Pips. So I'd like to start this video by saying that I am so happy and grateful to be able to achieve the 5-figure payout. So these words are very special to me personally because I was manifesting the 5-figure payout beforehand, before it even happened to me. So every day I would wake up and then I'll do my meditation and then I include these words and I will say, I'm so happy and grateful that today is 2024 March, and you know what, I'm so happy and grateful to be able to achieve 5-figure payouts. If you do that, guys, and then you strongly believe it, it will happen. I promise you. So you just need to be on the right frequency, have the right energy, and it will happen. You can manifest anything. And here is the proof with my payout. So let's get into it. So the purpose of this video is to actually inspire you guys and to motivate you and just to show you that, you know what is possible in trading if you have the right mindset and if you have the right work ethic and you're willing to give your all into it. You know, like, it is possible to actually, you know, make it big and to withdraw these big 5-figure payouts, you know, from the prop firms. So guys, if you go to my previous videos, you are going to be able to see that I have started trading with the small account sizes. I started trading with 5Ks and 10Ks, and then I scaled up. Once I was able to actually manage the 5Ks and 10Ks and withdraw the profits from those accounts, then I decided to scale up. And of course, it wasn't easy to, you know, like, transition from the small accounts to the big accounts, you know, because you need to apply different lot sizes, different risk management, and then, you know, you have a bigger numbers running there. So it can be, you know, tricky. And yeah, so once I actually withdrew money from the 5Ks and 10Ks, I was able to make a really decent percentage on the small accounts. Then I decided to start going for the 100Ks. And of course, it wasn't easiest and I didn't pass my 100Ks straight away. You know, there was some failures along the way and then failed challenges, which is why it's so important, guys, for you to master the 5Ks and 10Ks first of all, and then scale up, because psychologically it can be really bad if you go for 100K and then, you know, you see these big numbers running, you get yourself into a drawdown and you're not able to come out of it because you fear the markets, you feel anxious. It's not the way to do things, you know, like, you want to feel confident. You want to be confident in your trading, you want to be confident in your edge, you want to be confident in your risk management. So I suggest you guys start small first of all, the 5K accounts, you know, master that, get some payouts, you know, like 1, 2, 3, 4 payouts from the 5Ks, move on to 10, be able to manage those accounts, apply correct risk management, you know, and then scale up slowly. And that's what I did. So I passed my 100K phase 1 and phase 2 and pretty smooth with Funded Pips. They always deliver, you know, like, fast credentials, you get them within 24 hours. So this payout, actually on the account, I made $19,000. I keep on saying pounds, you know, because I'm from UK. But yeah, $19,000 I made on this account. I'm gonna get up for you guys. So we are on Funding Pips website. This is my dashboard. So first day I made $10,000. Actually, it was the second day of trading because first day I was in drawdown. This is my third day. I made 14,390 altogether, and then I added on some more profits, and then which was altogether $19,802. And then it was obviously 18-20 splits on this account. where I received my biggest payout of $15,840. Yeah, very happy and very pleased with that. So the account currently is in profit, so we are on $9,764 in profit, and I have requested this payout already, and I'm going to be paid hopefully next week, and then I can continue trading this account. To be fair, on this account I have made $14,000 after I got paid out my big payout, 5-figure payout. But unfortunately, I lost a big chunk of profits, and I was only left with 9,764. But you know what? We live and learn, and we move on. I have the trades live, so I'm gonna put it up here to show you how I made the $14,000. Okay guys, so this is a live trade that I am in currently. So the position I'm in is gold sell, and I've got a few positions open on my funded pips live account. Here it is. So currently we are running over 5,000 in profit, and if my TP hits, which I believe so, we are going to be over $10K in profits. I think it was going to be about 12 maybe $1,000 in profit, but I'll keep you updated. An update on how the trade is running. So we are still in the trade, and we are very, very, very close to our TP, which is 2285. Here it is, and this is how it's running so far. Over 11K in profit, well 12 and a half now, and I'm gonna start closing it. I'm happy with the £13,000, well $13,000 close. We're gonna close this one manually, and we're gonna close this one. And today, here is the profits for today. We made $14,000 on our account. Smashing day. Okay guys, so yeah, this is what happened. I was locked in 14K. I was on the leaderboard and everything, and yeah, we are left with 9,764. But it's okay, we still made it to a payout stage. We still did it. Second payout on this account is a win-win. And here we go. This is the certificate for my 5-figure payout. My beautiful, beautiful certificate that I'm gonna have to print out and put on my wall. All right guys, okay guys, so I really hope that this video have inspired you and motivated you that anything is possible if you put hard work in it. As you can see, I'm a small trader. I came from 5Ks and 10Ks, and I scaled up to 100Ks, and I have a lot of big things that is coming. I have big goals to achieve, and yeah, I wish everyone a success. And another thing that I want to add on is, do not ever compare yourself to anyone. Everyone's different, everyone's individual, and they are in the different stages of their journey. Focus on yourself, focus on the charts, put all that effort, wake up early, like get yourself in the routine and do what you need to do to get to where you want to be. Yeah, so yeah guys, that's it from me, and I'll see you in the next video.